Back to my channel, Tina here. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download TikTok video without a watermark. If you need TikTok video and you don't want it to have a watermark, I'm going to show you how to download it. Very easy and simple. So the first thing we're going to do is to head straight to our TikTok and then pick any video of our choice which we're going to be using for this. Yeah, so let's pick this one. So we're going to be, all you want to do is click on share. Click on share. Okay, then you click on the copy link. Yeah, link has been copied. Then we'll go straight to our Chrome browser. Here you go. You head straight to your Chrome browser, and then we're going to be searching for Snaptic. So when you get to your Chrome browser, I want to search. Click on the search bar and type Snaptic, and then you click on search. And then here is it. You click on it, and then to bring you to this interface where you have to paste the TikTok video link we get from TikTok, and then you click on download. And when you get to this page, you're probably going to be seeing some ad. So all you want to do is just remove the ad. Click here, click on download again, and then it's going to download now. Yeah, as you can see, it's up here. It has downloaded. Yeah, it has downloaded. So let me head straight to my gallery and see what we've downloaded, to see the video we've downloaded. Yeah, as you can see, there's no watermark in the video. As you can see, this is easy and simple way to download a TikTok video without a watermark. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly click the subscribe button and like this video. See you in another video. Bye.